Hello. Hi, good afternoon. Yeah, I'm fine. Hi. Hi. Sure. Yeah, sure. Sure. My name is Akshay Kumar, and my basically current project domain is banking, and whose basically it is the company's own product, and the product name is Incido Pay. It is the payment platform, and our client is US Bank and Citibank. Through this product, we are giving services to our client, and it has three portals: bank portal, client portal, and consumer portal. All the three portals are communicating with each other. I have used technology stacks here are MySQL, Java, Spring Boot, React, JavaScript, microservices, design patterns, Kafka, AWS, JSP, Spring Security. And here my responsibilities are: I made the APIs according to our US Bank requirements. I made the front end part in React from scratch. I maintained the project and fixed the bugs whatever came in production. I integrated payment options like PayPal, ACH deposit, and Zelle. Thank you. Singleton, Singleton. Only Singleton I have used. Singleton pattern is basically used for when we are making a class and we are making only one object of that class. So this is Singleton. If I have to make two classes as Singleton, basically I I will make only one object of that class. Okay, so basically and all the functionalities in terms of the methods which I am creating or making instance variables will all be in that one single class. So basically the object which I am making only single object, the single object will all have the functionalities which I want under the under the name of methods and instance variables name. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, what what is double locking? Double locking, I don't know what is double locking. Java 8. What are failed fast? I don't know. Yeah, basically hash map is a data structure, basically inbuilt library which is present in java.util package. So it is used for storing our values in the form of key value pair. okay, but our hash map is not thread safe, okay, but in case of concurrent hash map, it is also a hash map of storing key value in terms of key value pair, but it is thread safe. That's the main difference. Internally implemented as a linked list, in which every node is basically is stored in the form of key and it has value, and basically the predefined size of that hash map is 16 nodes we can use. Yeah. Yeah, basically thread safe means is suppose there are two threads. Threads are nothing but the program set of statements of Java. It's a program. Suppose two threads are basically working on particular variable, suppose static variable, okay. So basically when our suppose when we are using a simple hash map, then the data which is stored in that static variable basically is basically become inconsistent when multiple threads are using it. So basically if one thread is using it, then simultaneously other thread is also using it, that same variable. So here my data is not consistent, so it is the issue. But in case of if I use concurrent hash map, then if one thread is using that particular variable, then it will lock until it ends its operation, so that no other thread can modify it until first thread do its task. So how it works? Yeah. Internal implementation of concurrent hash map. With the help of, they use internally final variable. So basically when we use final variable internally, so no other variable can modify it until its task is over. Thank you. Synchronization means is the same thing, is I am just extending these my previous words with synchronization. So basically when we use synchronized word, then it helps in concurrency. Suppose two threads are basically using some resource, so basically the first thread will just lock it and no other thread can modify it until the first thread operation is completed. So here we used synchronized word. Yeah. Method body. So basically whenever we define the method, support, so void sum and then open parenthesis, close parenthesis, then void after synchronized. No. Static block. Yes. Static method. Yes, static method is also synchronized. Yeah, we basically add the synchronized keyword syntax in front of the method name. What kind of lock? Hmm, two-way lock. I will use hash map. I will use hash map for basically the counting the number of times particular integer is coming in the list, and then after that I just iterate that hash map whenever. So uh, whatever key has the value greater than 1, I will just print that key. This is the approach. With the help of Java, with the help of Java, we can use stream API for basically writing with less amount of code. So basically, first I will make hash map. Suppose my hash map name is hm, okay, and then I will just write hm dot stream function, okay, dot entry set function, okay, and then dot for each method, and for each method has I will give the argument key comma value. Yeah, will it take lots of time? So I'm just giving the I've just already sent approach. So this is the approach. I think, hope you have been understood. So thank you. Predefined interfaces, runnable interface. Yeah, I know it. So basically, it is a type of interface. It is an interface which is having only one abstract method. Any predefined functional interfaces or simple interfaces. Any predefined. Okay. Sorry, I don't know. Memory management changes. No. Yeah. Yeah, basically shallow is used for basically, suppose I am storing one data value, okay, so basically I have declared one integer int a equal to 2 or int b equal to 6, and I'm in next line I am just writing b equal to a. So basically this means is shallow copying. So basically the a value is coming to b variable. But in case of deep copying, okay, so deep copying is used for in case of object or references. Object, suppose I have made one object and I'm storing that. Suppose I have made one object or suppose one array, so they follow deep copying principle. So they don't store value, they pass addresses, references. Yeah, that's the difference. with the use of final keyword. Apart from final, no, with the help of final keyword, immutability. First string is s equal to interview. Or online editor, are you able to see my screen? Okay, so I am opening online editor. Is it fine? Online, okay, online Java compiler here is. Okay, so are you able to see my screen? Java okay, now I am making one string s equal to interview. Okay, like this. Okay, so basically these two are same. So basically they are making the object containing the string in the heap memory. So basically both the same, and also yeah and also they are just I would say they are uh, they are uh, they are basically acting on same reference. S and S1 will have same reference. Yeah. It would be true. Mhm. Mhm. True, true. Yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah, MySQL, MySQL. Okay, so here you have employee table. Have okay, okay. Every oh average salary of each department with department name. Okay. I think for this here we don't need the employee table. Okay, right. And basically these two tables have some one common, should have one common column. So basically that column should be, I think, employee ID. Department 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 ID, department number. Okay. Okay, done. No, it's done. No. Yeah. So basically, first of all, application context and bean factory is the basically annotation in basically Spring framework. It is not in Spring Boot. So could you ask me related to Spring Boot question? Basically, I have never worked on Spring. I I have yeah, only worked on Spring Boot. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I Okay. Okay. Please ask. qualifier is also the annotation which is present in Spring, and yeah, so that's why I'm not able to give you about Spring. Yeah. Auto configuration. Auto configuration is basically the, I would say, the concept. It is not the annotation. Auto configuration means, so basically before the coming of